Google just nailed it with the new 48 megapixel sensor on the Pixel 7 Pro. The new software features along with the machine learning improvements, Pixel 7 Pro is on another level with the videography. Not just zoom, but the colors are more saturated and well processed just like we get on the usual Pixel devices. But one thing to mention, while doing a zoom on your Pixel 7 Pro, the switching between cameras is incredibly smooth. Why we are so excited about this? Well, this time it can show us too far. 30x digital zoom instead of just 20x on the Pixel 6 Pro. And if you are concerned what will happen if you record under the sun, will it get heat up? Guess what? No, Google optimized the Pixel 7 Pro enough to work for longer hours without getting heat up. So you can expect a better battery backup on the Pixel 7 Pro. The noise reduction is really good compared to the last generation and even better than most of the Android smartphones. This is why Google is the best in the game with the cameras. Also, the new OIS optical image stabilization in the both main sensor and the telephoto makes it even better while shooting a video. And the new cinematic blur mode with the video also works fine, like with the non-living objects, which means this is going to compete with the new cinematic mode on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Although this is an early stage of software and with the time after some updates this will work even better. The pictures on the Pixel 7 Pro also looks great with the perfect saturations and lighting and even with the both 2x and a 5x zoom. But look at the depth with the 5x zoom on the Pixel 7 Pro. This 5x zoom shot is taken with the new 48 megapixel optical zoom, which is why it produced the high quality image. But if you look at the new 2x zoom shot, the Google did something with this. It actually takes this shot with the 15 megapixel but crop it to 12 megapixel to produce the high quality image out of the Pixel 7 Pro. If you are for software features, then Pixel 7 Pro also brings some of the significant changes. Also added a new features like unblur, where if you have a picture which is slightly blurred, you can actually fix with this feature just with a single click. An honorable mention you guys should know about the new Tensor Gen 2 chipset. This handles all the process smoothly with the new Android 13. Now the things are getting stable for the Pixel devices and hoping to get a great battery life out of the Pixel 7 Pro. If you are for Pixel 7 Pro, there are a couple of pre-order deals available where in some countries even included the Pixel Watch, which is worth $349. If you want to know about some exceptional features of the Pixel 7 Pro, then you guys should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.